Alert weather advisory.
And once again, good afternoon, everyone. We continue to track a cold front work its way closer to the heartland. It's firing up some thunderstorms and afternoon heat and humidity. Also some cold air aloft, which also means that we could be seeing some hail. Now, we continue to see that one severe thunderstorm warning that has now been extended, as we expected, into southern Saline County. Now, this warning goes until 4:45, and it's the thunderstorm itself is moving to the northeast at 40 miles an hour, and it's capable of producing large hail greater than 1 inch in diameter, about quarter-sized hail, and damaging wind in excess of 60 miles an hour. There's also a severe thunderstorm warning until 4:30 for the extreme southeastern corner of Weakley County. Now, it's going to be clipping that county and moving to the northeast and into Henry County. As of right now, what we'll do is we'll focus in on central and southern Illinois. What we'll do is bring down our little banner here, and we'll try to zoom in as closely as we can and try to get down to street level and talk about this thunderstorm. You can see the brighter shades of pink and dark red near just northeast of New Burnside. That's some intense rainfall, possibly some small hail mixed in with all of that. So what we'll do is put in a future track. We'll track the core of this thunderstorm out to the northeast at 40 miles an hour. So that means, it looks like the banner is getting in the way there. Stone Fort, this storm is bearing right down on your location. Carrier Mills, you have 15 minutes to bring everything indoors before the wind, the rain, possibly some small hail gets in your neck of the woods. Harrisburg, you have 26 minutes, but chances are you're already seeing some light rain. Chances are you're hearing some thunder, maybe seeing some flashes of lightning. The heaviest of that thunderstorm still to your southwest, still in northeastern Johnson County, southeastern Williamson County, also under that warning. El Dorado, you have 42 minutes, and Ridgeway, if this storm holds together and keeps its intensity, will be in your neck of the woods, and 57 minutes. So what we'll do is go ahead and try to zoom in just a bit farther to southeastern Williamson, northeastern Johnson County. Now, the heaviest part of this storm is just to the north of Ozark, just around Stone Fort. You can see a little bit of an inflow now. It's trying to get going just to the northwest of Ozark along Highway 45. The tornado threat very low. That's why we have the severe thunderstorm watch instead of a tornado watch. And while we're here, while we're down to street level, let's try to see how much hail we have and what the size of that hail would be. Okay, it appears that the hail may be getting a little bit, the hail core itself trying to get a little bit larger. It looks like the hail product we have is lagging just a little bit behind the radar data. So looks like 1 inch hail certainly possible bearing down on Stone Fort right now, though the hail product itself has not updated as of yet along Highway 45. The newest radar sweep showing the intense part of that thunderstorm right over Stone Fort. Folks, take it inside. Stay away from your windows. We have some strong wind. Chances are we'll have some large hail with that. Let me tell you this. Let me try to pan up just a little bit so we can get a better track on this thunderstorm. Again, it's in effect, the severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 4:45, so we have about another 20 minutes left on this severe thunderstorm warning. And folks in Stone Fort, in southeastern Williamson County, also southwestern Saline County, need to be watching out for this thunderstorm. 18 minutes, Carrier Mills, you have 18 minutes once again before this thunderstorm bears down on your neck of the woods. Chances are you're already seeing that rain, and that's the story for Harrisburg as well. You guys have about a half hour before this intense thunderstorm bears down on your location. So to clear that off for you real quick before we send you back to regular programming, what we have here, a lot of vivid lightning, a few thunderstorms really erupting in that afternoon heat and humidity, and this is going to continue working to the northeast. We do have some new information coming down. Meteorologist Bryan McCormick helping me out this afternoon. He's bringing me some information right now. What do we have here, sir?
Outside of the warning area, 3/4 inch hail near Wingo and Graves County.
Oh, okay, yeah. So we're talking some pretty large thunderstorms developing in western Kentucky as well. You can see right there in central Graves County. So we continue to see a pair of severe thunderstorm warnings in effect until 4:30 to 4:45. So what we'll do is clear that off, and we'll take you in just very quickly because we've actually had the report of some large hail in western Kentucky. So we'll bring the radar little palette down once again, and we are going to zoom in to Graves County in western Kentucky. We'll take it down to street level. We'll talk about where this storm is headed and how much time you have. Mayfield, I'll tell you, you have about 5 minutes before this thunderstorm is directly over your location. It's riding along Highway 45 and 45 East. So Central Graves County, you are not officially under a warning, but this is one of our first reports of the afternoon. 3/4 inch size hail now bearing down in Central Graves County. So let's quickly put that the hail tracker on for you guys very quickly, and we can see if we can track any hail with this thunderstorm. Let me see. The radar loop updating. Yeah, chances are this is verifying what we're expecting. Some 1/4 inch size hail certainly possible. This thunderstorm is growing in western Kentucky and Graves County. So look for a warning to come down very soon for Mayfield and Central Graves County. Chances are that'll be extending into, let's see, back toward Fair Dealing. I think Murray, there's another cell developing in your neck of the woods. Marshall, Callaway County will be watching your location very closely as well. But as of right now, the only severe thunderstorm warning we have in the heartland is in effect until 4:45. Again, meteorologist Brian Allworth and I will be monitoring this situation behind the scenes, and we will bring you any new updates as they come available.